Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken Siren Head. This unique and powerful morph is a highly sought-after character within the Siren Head morphs game. Getting it involves a thrilling journey and a bit of clever navigation. We will guide you through each step, ensuring you are well prepared to add this impressive creature to your collection. Get ready for an exciting adventure. Your first step is to launch the Siren Head Morphs game and begin exploring. You'll need to make your way to the vast ocean or beach area. Once there, continue along the shoreline until you reach the very edge of the map. Look for a distinct Kraken presence in the water. This marks the beginning of your challenge. It's a crucial starting point for your journey. Upon interacting with the Kraken, you will be teleported to a secret underwater maze. This area presents a challenging obstacle course. Your goal is to meticulously navigate through its winding paths, being extremely careful to avoid any glowing or harmful hurt boxes. One wrong move can send you back to the beginning, so precision and patience are key to successfully traversing this aquatic labyrinth. Once you successfully navigate the entire underwater maze, you will be rewarded with the exclusive Kraken Siren Head badge. This badge instantly unlocks the formidable Kraken Siren Head morph, allowing you to transform into this impressive creature. Remember to always check for any special in-game events or updates, as the method or availability of obtaining unique morphs can sometimes change. Enjoy your new, powerful form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.